Today, I'm going to show you how to sync your inReach Mini using the inReach Sync application on a Mac. inReach Sync was designed to synchronize data between your inReach device and the Explore website. When you make changes to your data on explore.garmin.com, it is important to use the Sync application to copy those changes to your inReach device. Here, I'm changing the quick text message options. To use inReach Sync, you will need a Mac computer, the inReach Mini, and a micro USB cable. Begin by connecting your inReach to the computer. Then we will download inReach Sync. To download inReach Sync, log into explore.garmin.com. Then, select the Plans and Devices tab. Now, select the Sync and Update button and choose Windows or Mac. inReach Sync will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, install the application. Select Continue through the introduction of the installation package. Then, review the terms and conditions and select Continue. Select Agree for the terms and conditions. Next, select Install. Enter your Mac password to approve the installation. Then, select Close. Now, open the inReach Sync application by pressing Command and the spacebar at the same time. Then, search for inReach Sync. Enter the email address and password you used for your Explore account and select Login. Make sure to use the same Explore account as before to ensure you are syncing the correct data. The syncing process begins after you sign in. Your inReach may restart while the information is being synced. Once you see the green check mark, you are ready to disconnect. Ensure you properly eject the inReach Mini from your Mac. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check your changes have been synced on the inReach. For future syncs, just open the inReach Sync application by pressing Command and the spacebar at the same time. Then search for inReach Sync. And that's it! You can now sync your inReach Mini. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.